Hello, financial planners, life planners, CFPs, financial professionals of all kind. This video is for you if you are into saving time and energy on your marketing game and are maybe a little tired of having a bunch of different dashboards that you gotta link between. 4FP High Level software is designed for you to be an all-in-one market. There's QR codes, there's social media, there's email marketing, there's funnels and forms and anything you could think of that you can need for your marketing game. It's in there. Scheduling links, automations that help things fire and remind you of there's some really useful reminders in there to help you keep on top of meetings and stuff that might get set. So without further ado, this video is to talk about content AI. High Level just announced late last year some new AI features in their program that they built out, and one of them is content AI. You can use this to create images on funnel pages too. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to create it in the social planner to keep this video fairly reasonable. So let's start by creating a social post. And if at the end of this video you want more, please tell me that in the comments down below, and I'll make my next video about that. All right, so without further ado, let's show you how to use content AI for your social posts. Create a new post, content AI. You're gonna go like this. And let's say you put in something like, give it some idea of what you want to talk about. I'm telling it to end with a CTA. I feel like I'm still spelling fulfills wrong, but hopefully it gets the point. You can add some keywords in here like life, employment, I don't know, whatever else comes up based on your idea. I'm going to ask for a witty tone. I'm going to keep the number of variations there. That's enough to look through. You can even do a custom length, right? So you can change length if you want a long post versus a medium. Maybe let's see what the medium comes up with. All right, let's say large. All right. Then you hit generate, and then you go and you read through, and it's more to read through for errors, fact check things, right? Take out the rockets because that's a dead giveaway. It was written by AI. I don't know if you want all of these emojis. You can decide what's right for your brand. I read some emojis, but emojis should be intentional and on brand with the scene that you're trying, the world that you're trying to invite your clients and prospects into. I guess I did tell it to end with the CTA, but what might make it sound even okay? Yeah, I kind of didn't get my intention very well with that, but that's because I was just thinking of something off the top of my head. We're just going to go with this because I don't know what would be right for your brand, but I'm not going to over. And then the point of this is just to show you how to do this. So yeah, you can edit here. This is a good place to edit. You can also, when you think you're done, you can hit that button and then it'll open up a new post, or you can add your social accounts. Just, click that for all. It's not actually really what I want to do, but this is a test post. You can, come in here to create an image. Let's just do one variation for the purpose of the demo, but I'm not trying to go overboard. But you can always bump that up. I guess 4 is the limit. And I guess set there. So this is also the place. We'll set that there. Then you hit generate. And voila. So, perfectly good idea. If that's on, that's where you can think about what your style is going to be best for your brand. Just doesn't matter what you pick, just as long as you pick something and stay consistent. And yeah, then you can add your links. If it's an event, obviously you can make it an event or an offer. These are going to be static feed posts. And you can always add collaborators here. Decide to post. If you got a bunch of photos, you can decide to post them as PDF. I have not really found a use for this yet, but I have found one use. It was a carousel post for Instagram that if I posted it as a PDF, it actually worked pretty well in LinkedIn. So you can post carousel posts that way. That's one use for that. And yeah, you can change your privacy level as this would actually, yeah, I'm not gonna post this on YouTube. See, exactly, I wouldn't post this on all of the channels because this is just an image. But if we had done like an animated video style, well, no, that would still be static. Sorry. Okay. Anyway, yeah, obviously I'm just going to take out that, but we're also not going to post this. But basically, you either hit save for later or go to post. Post now, you can schedule it, you can send it for approval, or you can schedule it to recur if it's something that you want to go out every week for, it's the same event. Ooh, just realized a use for that in my own stuff. See, there's some cool stuff. So yeah, that's kind of how you do it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, if you're interested in learning a bit more uses of Content AI in the system, let me know, and I'll do a video on how to do images, use Content AI in the funnel portion of high level when you're creating marketing funnels and landing pages. I can show you how to do that if you let me know in the comments with some engaged. Yes, please. Thanks. All right. You're awesome. And we'll talk more soon.